We are pleased to show you the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.